Dinja poddan l-519 fil-sensjela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miħaj Tony Sant. Fil-podda l-lum se nisimgħu minant il-Mana Tapu, Kelsey Farrugia, Auntie's Yellow Sofa u Robert G. U biex nibdew l-lum din minant, kien itkellejja fl-imkien ma' Luca Colombo.
I'm caught in so many dreams, the same ones that feature real, but now it ain't what it seems. I don't know where to begin. I'm lost over just one toad. There's you standing here with me. I'm locked in this cage, I know. When your memories cross my mind, it feels out of line. One day you'll be mine, so tell me if it's true. This time I'm gonna make it all go away. This time I'm making sure that you will stay. I fall for the games you play, the strange ways you come to me. Silence the words you say. Is this how it's gonna be? It would have been good if you understood how my heart was going strong. It could have been right if you'd seen the light. So tell me if it's true. This time I'm gonna make it all go away. This time I'm making sure that you will stay with me. Heaven or hell, I wish I could tell. When your memories cross my mind, it feels out of line. One day you'll be mine, so tell me if it's true. This time I'm gonna make it all go away. This time I'm making sure that you will stay with me. This time, baby. Ooh. This time, baby. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
This Time minant il-kantant Kenneth Kalleja bil-kitarra ta' Luca Colombo u l-kumprament tal-band ta' Kenneth Kalleja meg il-tajna għal-podda toħra ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miħaj Tony Sant. Din is-silta l-ismajna This Time għonek minant Kenneth Kalleja maħuda minn EP illi se joħroġ dawn il-ġranet illi jismu Living in a Song. Dawn il-ġranet jiġifieri fil-bidu ta' Ġunju ta' l-2018. Dettalji bħal dejjem permezz tal-website personali tiegħi li sibuha fuq tonysant.com. Somma hemmhekk hemm affarijiet oħra li nsemmilkom anke aktar tard waqt il-poddata tagħna llum, allura ikun tajjeb li ngħaddu mill-ewwel għat-tieni silta. Smajnihom ukoll ftit tal-ġimgħat ilu f'poddat oħra anke mill-album il-ġdid tagħhom għaddejjin ukoll f'dawn il-ġranet kienu Blurred Garden qed nirreferi għal Mana Tapu. Il-ġdida tagħhom jisimha Vivere Libera.
genuino amigo, bolsillo roto como condición. Yo, mirando siempre dentro de tu corazón.
But on the road that passes by, felt good not to classify. We came along with a different belief, but all had one goal to perceive. Vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré. Simplicité en action chez moi. Vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré. Ne pas se laisser interdire quoi que ce soit. Vive libéré. Vivo libre, siempre living free the life of the people. Siempre libre, vivo libre, vivo libre. Mother heart, respect a mother heart. Vivo libre, vivo libre. Pensas tu Come up and libère ta conscience, libère tout ce qu'il y a en toi. Regarde ce qu'il y a dans ce monde et tu te souviendras. Dans ce monde aujourd'hui tu sens la pression qui monte. Dans ce mouvement, Manana es le roi.
Primeramente la mañana me enseñó una cosa, no sigas ese ejemplo de la persona traposa, mirando para la fecha que sí, yo, y el camino es camino si se anda con amor.
But on the road that passes by, felt good not to classify. We came along with a different belief, but all had one goal to perceive. Vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré. Simplicité en action chez moi. Vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré, vive libéré. Ne pas se laisser interdire quoi que ce soit. Vive libéré, vive libéré.
Vivre Libra Mekmelant il-Manatapu u l-poddata ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miħaj Tony Sant issibu mux biss dettalji dwara permezz ta' tonysant.com imma sibu koll il-poddati l-oħra kollha li għanna f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati. L-lum il-519 il-wahda l-ura hemm anka 518 oħra illi tistgħu tisimgħu u anka taraw il-videos tagħhom permezz ta' YouTube tal-anqas ta' dawn l-aħħar 50 jew ftit aktar il-puntata illi kellna. Is-silta li miss hija minant Kelsey Farrugia taħħa jisimha While He Remembers Me.
We have met over a million times. He may forget, but those memories are mine. I'll tell him what he means to me, why he still remembers me. In those moments when it's clear, make sure to love him with no fear. is her dad, and I miss him too. Don't worry now, we still remember you.
Kelsi Farrugia mek, tifkira għal dak li nista' nifhem li forsi kien in-nannu tagħha While He Remembers Me jisimha s-silta. Id-dettalji kif għadna mhux biss permezz ta' tonysan.com, il-website personali tiegħi, ma wkoll permezz tal-M3P, il-Multi Music Memory Project mingħand il-Multimedia Memory Preservation fuq m3p.com.mt. Dana inżommu hemmhekk id-dettalji biex nibqgħu niftakru xi ftit ukoll minn dak li jkun għaddej issa fil-preżent, biex meta l-preżent isir il-passat, jiġifieri fil-futur, nkunu forsi anke nistgħu niftakru xi ftit aktar milli kieku ma nagħmlux dan l-M3P. Il-grupp Auntie's Yellow Sofa imiss issa u smajnihom darbohra wkoll, iktar minn darba jidherli f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati, l-aktar waħda riċenti minn għandhom jisimha Lights.
Has stopped somehow. I've got things to do, can do them now. I'm a useless being without a computer screen. I've got to go, I cannot stay. No place to be, just wanna get away. I've got to go, I cannot stay. No place to be, just wanna get away. So I stepped outside my bedroom door, and I found a world for me to explore. And life resumed to a different beat, more time to think and less to tweet. I've got to go, I cannot stay. No place to be, just wanna get away. I've got to go, I cannot stay. No place to be, just wanna get away.
Lights emmek minant il-grupp mela Auntie's Yellow Sofa. U għabel ma nagħlqu l-poddata tagħna bl-aħħar silta li għandi mħejja likom illum, tajjeb li nfakarkom ukoll li tistgħu tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi dejjem biex tiġbdu l-attenzjoni għal xi ħaġa oħra li forsi kun tajjeb li nikkunsidra inkludi f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati jew kellha anke sempliċement x'tgħidu li kif int hello ton kollu sew kif aħna jew kellha tgħiduli xi ħaġa li forsi m'għandax taqsam xejn ħanqas ma' din il-poddata. Il-modi preferit tiegħi huwa bħal dejjem permezz ta' tonysan.com imma ssibunu wkoll permezz tal-Facebook, it-Twitter Twitter, l-Instagram, il-YouTube per eżempju wkoll minn fejn din il-poddata toħroġ ukoll il-verżjoni video tagħha għal kull edizzjoni. Insomma, għamlu intom, u pixir disma' minn għandkom. L-aħħar silta hija l-ġdida ta' Robert G, din jisimha It's How We Grow.
You could trigger your own life, your own hands, and only you. Find a way and make things happen. Don't be afraid to start something new. You could have changed, I guess you always knew. Your ship was sinking, you were too tired and blue. Should wait forever for that to become good, where you listen to her and understood. Open the doors for every open mind. Don't lose your reason for yourself to be kind. Are you sure if you can face this one alone? Can you cope without a place that you call home? It's your mountain, go climb it on your own. It's your wild time, must face your fears alone. It's how we grow, don't be afraid to go. You will make it, go with the flow. People tell you not to fly. Sometimes they tell you you're too high. Just don't listen and go ahead. Spread your wings without a sigh. That you will teach you how to really live. I'm sure that you can face this one alone. Go ahead and join this new place you call home. It's your mountain, go climb it on your own. It's your wild time, must face your fears alone. It's how we grow, don't be afraid to go. You will make it, go with the flow. It's your mountain, go climb it on your own. It's your wild time, must face your fears alone. It's how we grow, don't be afraid to go. You will make it, go with the flow.
Silta It's How We Grow minant Robert G u l-kollaboratori mużikali tiegħu hemmhekk li d-dettalji bħal dejjem kif għadna permezz ta' tonisan.com u l-m3p.com.mt. Iġibna fit-tmiem tal-poddata tal-lum ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Qabel inħallikom ifakkarkom xorta li d-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' tonisan.com. Għasab nerġgħu ta' darba oħra ilha minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.